Guys, today we're gonna be fishing.
Yes, we're going to be fishing.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, let's see if we can find some fish.
I don't want to be sinking. Awesome! Whoa, I get it fishy. Let's throw the fish back in.
What? What is this? Plastic in the water?
Oh, no!
Jason, look!
Huh? Plastic in the water? How did it get there?
I think people must have thrown it in the water. That is not good.
Plastic is not good for a fish to eat.
Yeah, plastic belongs in the trash.
Yeah, let's throw the plastic in the trash.
Come on, Jason, let's go. Let's throw it in the trash bin. Come on. This is where trash belongs. In the trash bin.
Maybe there is more trash in the pond.
Yeah, Jason, let's check it out. Come on. Whoa, look at all this trash. Oh, no.
Oh
Uh-oh.
no! Ew! Let's clean this mess up.
Good idea. Let's do it. Look, 2 bottles.
Yes.
I'm definitely gonna throw this away.
Alex, look, 2 more bags.
Get the bag. Okay, we got them.
Yay! Ew!
More trash. Oh, let's clean this up. Okay, we got the trash. Come on.
I don't like all this trash. Awesome! Look, more trash. Alex, what can we do with all this trash?
Throw it in a trash bin, of course.
That's a great idea.
Come on.
Let's put it in. Now show it to the Alex.
Of course. 1, 2, 3,
4.
and 4. No more trash in the park.
Now the host is happy and the animals are happy too. We can go fishing again.
Let's go.
Yay!
Jason, look, don't you like the water now?
Wow! Yeah, there's no trash in water.